Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. My good friend, so true, on this day brand new, may love always find you, and happiness too. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Everybody look at somebody and tell them, I need you.
I need you.
You need me.
You need me.
We're all a part.
We're all a part of God's body.
Stand with me.
Stand with.
Look at somebody, tell them, agree with me.
Agree with me.
We're all a part.
We're all a part of God's body.
It is His will.
It is His will that every need be supplied. You are important to me. I need you to survive.
Tell your neighbor.
You are important to me. I need you to survive.
This is beautiful.
Oi, Tiago. Parabéns. I wish you all the best and hope to see you soon.
Let me hear you. You need me.
You need me.
For we're all.
Hi Tiago, happy birthday to you. May God bless you more than He has ever done. And we love you and we can't wait to see you soon in Madagascar. Bye.
We're all a part of God's
Parabéns, Tiago. May God bless you and fulfill the desires of your heart. I pray He strengthen you with all goodness, with all endurance as you walk day by day with Him. And we can't wait to see you here in Madagascar. So stay blessed and arrive safe here. Ciao.
I need you to survive.
Hello Diego, happy birthday to you. I haven't anything to tell, but God bless you, and we wait for you here in Madagascar.
Need you
I need you to survive.
Hi Tiago, happy birthday to you. I wish you all the best and stay blessed in the Lord. I hope to see you soon in Madagascar. It will be a best pleasure for me to see you. So see you then.
I pray for you. You pray for me. I love.
Come on, y'all.
I need you to.
Hold somebody hand and tell them, come on.
I won't harm you with words from my mouth. I love. I need you to.
Look at somebody say, I pray for you.
I pray for you.
You pray for me.
You pray for me. I love you. I need you to survive.
I won't harm you
I won't harm
with
you
words from my mouth.
with words from my mouth.
Hi Tiago, this is Gersona. It seems that today you are growing older, so I want to wish you a very, very blessed birthday. May you continue to grow in knowledge and in love of God and in everything. So we also hope to see you very, very soon. So be blessed.
I need you to survive.
I need you to.
Point at somebody and tell them, I won't harm you.
I won't harm
Come on, y'all.
you with words from my mouth.
I love you.
Marque dans le signal. 2, 3.
Seja bem-vindo para servir ao Senhor Jesus aqui em Madagascar.
Jésus Cristo est au.
I love you. Let's take it up one more time. Come on, get up.
Happy birthday! God bless you. I'm going to try to speak Portuguese, so please don't laugh. Então, parabéns, Tiago. Que Deus abençoe você muito, muito, muito. E por você, uma promessa no 1 Coríntios, capítulo 2, versículo 9, que diz: olho nenhum viu, ouvido nenhum ouviu e mente nenhuma imaginou o que Deus preparou por aqueles que o amam. E acredito que você ama Deus, então você vai aproveitar essa promessa e seremos testemunhos do cumprimento dessa promessa na sua vida. Amém. E boa viagem para Madagascar. Até logo.
Happy birthday, my brother. Bless you, and we love you so much from Madagascar.
Hey Tiago, happy birthday to you, and have a blessing day, and we will wait to have you here, and excited to have you and have a fellowship with you and work with you here. And happy birthday to you, happy birthday to you. Deus abençoe. See you.
Look at somebody, tell them agree with me.
Agree with
We're all a part.
we're all a part of God's body.
It is His will.
It is His will that every need be supplied. You are important to me. I need you to survive.
Tell your neighbor.
You are important to me. I need you to survive.
This is beautiful, you all. Let's do it one more time. Come on, open your mouth and say, I need you.
I need you.
Let me hear you. You need me.
You need me.
For we're all